Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, you're muted.
Okay, very good afternoon to all of you. How are you, Amir? Amir, are you there? Are you there, Amir?
Ma'am, I bring my healthy food.
So which exam you had it now? That is the reason I kept food party. So that you can relax and enjoy. Amir,
Yes,
are you there, beta?
Yes.
Okay, how are you? By the way, how are you, Amir? Okay, I think he's not well. Yeah.
Ma'am, my spin wheel, I made it in the
I got
class.
Musfira Rizwani's spin wheel. She made it so beautifully. Wow, Ian, lovely. You made this?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Yeah, Musfira, I saw. I saw. Very nice. I just loved it. What about others? When are you
Ma'am,
going to give me? I have just asked you to make only 3 now. From 10, I have asked you just to make 3 now.
ma'am,
Yeah.
I made the 2 to 10, but I can show you only 3.
Yeah, you have shown me. It's okay. Your part is done now. I have evaluated you. I have given you marks. I really like it. Oh, wow. Wow, Khatija. Okay. Then will I can see only yours. But beta, you have to upload it at Google Classroom. Upload it at Google Classroom, okay? So that I can give you marks. Okay.
This is my third one.
Okay. Okay. Zainab, turn on your camera. Let me see you, Zainab.
Fourth one. And see my fifth one.
Sure. Wow. Wow.
And this is my food.
Okay. So should we start our food party?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No,
First.
but ma'am, others have not joined, right?
Okay. Wait. Let
Amara
okay.
is
Till
not
that time,
here.
I'll make an announcement. Zainab, turn on your camera. Mariam, turn on your camera. Amir is not well, so it's okay. Even if he's listening. Yes. What I was saying, you know, na, tomorrow maths test is there. Everyone is aware of it, right? Tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah. 15 March, 10 a.m. Okay, I'll send you the link. I'll send you the link in the Google Classroom 15 minutes before only. But you don't have to start your class. So you don't have to start your test. Sorry. Only when I'll be there in the class, you have to do it in front of me. Okay. Don't just click on the link and give your test before 10 a.m. Okay. Have you understood? Have you understood what am I saying?
So, we don't get a book. We don't write.
No, you will write it at Google Form only.
Ma'am, look at my lunch. Look at what I have made.
Chalo, now, Muspira, tomorrow you'll get to know. Just be prepared with addition, subtraction,
Ma'am, I took a picture of what I made for food party.
Yeah, I'm looking. I'll just see one person. Wait, I'll just pin yourself. Now show me. I think everyone is joined. Am I right? Everyone is joined. Who is left?
Amara.
Yes, Amara. Where is she, Amara?
She joined last session.
Yeah, I can see. I will ask everyone. Musfira Sayyed, did not worry. Zainab, where are you roaming? Okay, let me start with, I think it's already 12. We should start with a science class. Okay, and everyone is aware now what is going to come in the science class. Sorry, in the science test.
Yes, ma'am. What is now?
Sorry. Our senses. Please come prepared. Paper is very simple. Okay, if you have been attentive in the class, you will get all the questions, all the answers. I'm pretty sure about it. Okay. Now should we start? First, I want Khatija. Zainab, please come and sit at your place, Zainab. Don't keep roaming around. And tomorrow is maths test, huh? Be prepared. Thursday, science and ICT both.
And tomorrow 10 p.m. or 11?
AM, beta. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. we have maths class on Wednesday. Okay, in the morning. PM is night. We don't conduct classes at night.
Sorry,
Yes, it's okay, it's okay. From mistakes only we learn. Even I make so many mistakes while communicating, so it's okay. Khatija, I'll start with you. You tell me
Yes,
what
ma'am.
healthy breakfast or dish you have got it, and you will tell me what all it contains. Okay? What nutrients?
I got a boiled egg that is cut it into half.
Very good. Boiled egg and brown bread. That's my favorite. Let me tell you, Khatija. I love brown bread and yeah. Now tell me, what do you think? Yeah, Rayan, I can see that strawberry. Lovely, Rayan, lovely. Yeah, Khatija, can you tell me what all nutrients it is having?
What did you say?
Nutrients. What all nutrients it is having? We learned about carbohydrates. We learned about fats. We learned about proteins. No idea? Think. Okay, I'll come back to you. Very nice, Khatija. Okay, Musfira Sayyed. Now it's your turn. Musfira Sayyed, are you there? Musfira Sayyed. So unmute yourself now and reply me.
Yes.
Tell me about your dish. What did you get?
I made bread, mayonnaise, and jam.
Do you think it's healthy, beta?
Love mayonnaise. Because there is in the jam there is what we call fruits, huh?
Yes.
And in the
mayonnaise.
fruits,
Is mayonnaise healthy? Do you really think?
This mayonnaise is made of garlic.
Okay, what all does it contain? What nutrients it will give you if I eat that?
What?
Khatija, you can search it on Google. What does egg contains what? Brown bread gives you what? And you can tell it to me.
Ma'am, what did you say?
Musfira Sayyed, what does it contain? Your sandwich, what does it contain?
It contains vitamins.
Okay.
In the jam there is apple, na? They contain vitamin C and vitamin E. Vitamin E and C.
Okay. Very nice. What about other thing? Only vitamins?
And garlic has
Okay, what about bread? What does white bread contain? Any idea?
Bread has carbohydrates.
Very good. Very nice. Musfira Sayyed. Musfira Rizwani, talk about your dish. Talk about your dish.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Can I bring this?
That's what I was waiting for. Wow. Wow, what's that, Musfira Rizwani?
And between there is honey, and in honey there is dry fruits.
Okay, what I'm thinking, you kids have done a very great job. So what I'll do, I'll make your science paper for 20 marks. And this I'll keep for 5 marks. Very nice. Very nice. Okay? Is it fine?
I have little bit dry fruits now. So I put in honey and then I put in between, and here also there is some dry
Very good.
fruits, and
Now,
I
Musfira, tell me
I
what all
have
nutrients it
some
contains.
banana.
What all nutrients it contains? Tell me.
Kind of hungry. Can I eat?
Yeah, no. You have to eat it together. Wait, let me first complete it.
Ma'am, carbohydrates
Okay.
and
Wait, banana contains what? Banana. Your main dish, your main fruit is banana. Check it out. I'm giving you that task. You should know. Ali, I'm coming to you.
can
Ali,
I check in Google? Can I check in
yes, you
Google?
have to search it and you have to know it. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
Zainab, your turn. Zainab, your turn. Ali is not available, so I'll ask you. Zainab, your turn.
Ma'am, I got chokers and chokers have
You could have gotten milk, na? Are you would have taken a bowl of a milk and put it some chocos and show it to it. Oh, very nice, very nice. Okay, what does it have? Yeah,
chokers has
you can see in the packet. You can see in the packet. The
yeah,
nutrient.
I saw from the packet. It
Yeah.
has vitamin C,
Okay.
vitamin D or C, I don't remember.
Okay.
And it's also you should not eat it every day because it's also a sugary food.
Okay, lovely. Very nice. But it's a healthy dish. You can have it. Being a kid, you can have it. Mariam, your turn. Mariam, unmute yourself. Ali, I'm coming to you. Next is your turn. Then Ian. Okay? Yeah, Mariam. Mariam, unmute yourself.
I have pineapple and strawberries. Pineapple.
Wow, show me. I want to see your dish. Show me your dish. I want to see it.
Ma'am, can I see the banana?
Wait. Strawberries and, oh wow, strawberries and papaya. Okay. Papaya over. What does it contains? Yeah. What does it contains, Mariam? Unmute yourself, beta. I cannot hear you. Unmute yourself.
I have vitamin E.
Okay.
Vitamin A and vitamin C.
Okay, lovely. Ali, your turn. What did you get? Yeah, Ali, what did you get?
Yes.
Ian, next is your turn, huh, Ian. Rayan, I saw you got strawberries. Oh, wow. What is this? Wow. What is it?
Apple and egg.
Wow.
In apple there is fiber.
Place the fruits nearby to the this thing, egg. Very nice. Nicely decorated. I think you kids should try and MasterChef kids also. Seriously. Especially Musfira Rizwani, Musfira Sayyed, Khatija, Ali, Zainab, whatever you got it. Very nice. Yeah, Ali, tell me what all it contains. Very nice.
In apple there is fiber.
Okay,
and
very good. Very nice point. Yeah. Yeah.
In strawberry there is vitamin A.
Okay.
And in egg there is vitamins.
Yes. Lovely, Ali. Ian, your turn. Ian, what did you get today for your food party?
I forgot to say one thing.
You got what?
I forgot to say one thing. Chocos.
Okay, what does chocos contain? Tell me. It has been said by Zainab, right? You need to repeat that. Ali, come sit at your place. Think about it. Search it and tell me. Rayan?
Vitamin C.
Okay. Amir, since you're not well, so I'm not asking you, okay? Yes. Think. If you don't know, search it. Rayan, are you there, Rayan? Yeah, Musfira, I'm coming to you. Musfira Rizwani, I'm coming to you. Tell me, what does your strawberries contain? What nutrients does it contains? Okay, he'll not answer. Yeah, Musfira Rizwani, tell me. Musfira.
Banana contain vitamin C.
Okay, very nice. Very nice. Chalo. Now everyone have your food. Come on, have your food. It's food. Yeah. Have it. Enjoy it. You can have it. I'll also get mine. What should I get? I will need time to cook it. Where did you go, Ian? Ian, at least ask your friends, what is this? Is that called a party or what? Ask your friends, would you like to have it? Though you can't, though it's not possible through this online media, but you can at least ask. Manners, right?
Would you like to have it?
True. It's like, it's a basic manners. Now, though it's not possible through this online media, we have to ask, right? All are you? Nobody even asked me.
Offline, so I was giving to you this.
Okay. No, you have it. Ian, Ashley, you can have it.
Ma'am, would you like to have it?
Thank you so much. You have it. Be healthy, eat healthy, and know what you eat. Always remember, always check the ingredients. Yeah, Khatija, always check what does
Eat
it
healthy
contain.
and live healthy.
Yes, eat healthy and live healthy. Very good.
Healthy.
Yes, very nice.
Be healthy. Ma'am,
Yeah.
is that mayonnaise?
Yeah.
Ma'am, that mayonnaise. Have you made of garlic now? Garlic has fiber.
Okay.
The
By the end of this chapter,
mayonnaise was
all
made of-
will get to know. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you on one movie?
Sorry. What did he say? Enjoying your meal. Enjoying your meal.
Yes, ma'am.
You all like strawberries. Okay, wait. I'll get my tea. Is it fine? You guys are eating. Even I have to eat something.
I love strawberries. I love
Not
strawberries.
fair. Okay, you love strawberries. I'm coming.
Where are you going, but? Ma'am? She went out for a minute. She said everybody to eat. She's bringing tea. I think she also want to bring her food. I don't know, maybe. No, she decides now. She says that I'm bringing my tea. Ma'am, you told it's about population, no? It is coming about plants.
Done. I had dates.
Oh, I love dates too. I have also dates at my home.
Dates.
Sure.
I had it.
Ma'am, so I also have a date. Next Fruit Loops and Chocos. Ma'am, can you on a movie?
Movie for what?
For the food party.
You want movie also? Okay, we'll keep it some other session because then I have to. Okay, which movie? We'll take some movie based on science. Okay.
Ma'am, Ma'am, can we
Ma'am, I only got one question
What,
wrong and I was not on-
watch what is that called?
What is it?
Vitamin video.
Yeah. Now, yeah, I'll show you different videos. That would be. Wait, I'll just pause.